think if Olivia reacted like she did when she opened Blossom My Bestiecorn with everything I gave her, I'd be a very happy mum.
What I love the best about Blossom My Bestiecorn is that she's interactive. I like the fine motor aspect of putting the clips on her mane, as well as all the little gems that she can put into her horn and into the little grooves of her feet.
It's very sweet looking. It's very, very cute. Just pretty. We haven't got a pet yet, so I think it helps her to take care of something small to start with.
You could really see the joy it brought to her instantly. I can't wait to watch her feed it and look after it and nurture it like a real pet.
And make sure you feed her ice cream. Maybe I should cut up an apple.
You could cut her up an apple and see if she likes that.
Yeah. 10.
A 10!
Definitely a 10. She does so much.
158.